Welcome back to my channel where I talk about men's fashion and vintage fashion. So today you can guess from the sunglasses which monster I'm going to do. The sunlight today will not be my friend at all. And today we're going to tackle the first universal monster from the lineup. But wait, I know the Phantom of the Opera came before, but Dracula is the one that... Oops.
Shame on you. Shame on you. This wasn't the intro that I wanted to give, but whatever, let's go on.
And it's thanks to Dracula that the Universal horror lineup got popular.
You know what? This intro is not giving at all. So screw this intro. You already know the drill. Roll the soundtrack, please. Roll it, roll it.
So this dude actually did the costume already 4 or 5 years ago. I will leave the video up here or down below. And today I'm going to follow the source material from the 1931 movie starring Bela Lugosi. So I tried to find the best items that are most similar to the outfit that he's wearing in the 1931 movie. And Bela Lugosi is an Hungarian actor that actually played Dracula before on stage and after he played in the movie in 1931, and it was a big success at the time. And actually Bela Lugosi was typecasted because of Dracula, so he played other horror monsters in the next movies, and he played Dracula for the second time in the Abbott and Costello movie. And Dracula was actually the first sound movie of the Universal horror lineup. Before that, they were all from the silent era, and after Dracula, they all became with sound. The Dracula movie is based on the novel from Bram Stoker called Dracula. And if you want to know more about the story of Dracula, I will link to the video of the story of Dracula. It's really entertaining. There are a lot of facts that I didn't know about this movie, and you should watch it. I would absolutely recommend it. Dracula is a 1931 American horror movie directed and co-produced by Todd Browning from a screenplay written by Garrett Fort and starring Bela Lugosi in the title role. Bram Stoker's novel had already filmed without permission as no, Nosfer, which I hope I pronounce it well. Nosferatu in 1922 by German expressionist filmmaker Murnau. So actually Universal Pictures looked at Lon Chaney to portray Dracula, but due to his schedule he couldn't make it. So Bela Lugosi was actually the last choice to play Dracula. The special effects were limited to fog, lightning, and a large flexible bed. Oh, and also the movie didn't have a score, so it was most of it was silence and dialogue. So the music was actually composed in the 90s. So the makeup wasn't that difficult this time. The costume was a bit, was more difficult than usual because there were a lot of elements that I didn't have, so I had to get them. But I think the end result was really good, so I will leave you to the costume and makeup for this Dracula costume DIY.
So let's start with the makeup as usual. You have to clean your face first and then take your inspo and start with the white cream makeup. Apply it to your face, all over your face. This will be the base for our makeup today. Looking like a ghost. Then apply the black cream makeup on your eye area, on your under eye and over the eye, like below the eyebrow. Do some contouring to your face to give dimension and also to give that deadly aspect. And just follow the lines of your cheek and cheekbones to give that look. So you basically do some slashes on your cheeks and follow the line of the makeup with your cheekbones to do this contouring. The technique I usually use is to do like a fish face and follow the empty spaces. Apply also some black makeup on your eyebrows and then spread some white makeup on your neck and ends. Also spread the white makeup on your ears. And then, as I said before, just put also some white makeup in your hands. To spice up the makeup, you can take some fake blood and apply it on the corners of your lips. It should look a bit messy and also like the blood is dripping from your mouth basically. So you can finish the face and the only thing missing are the vampire teeth and that's it. I did it in 15-20 minutes, so it was pretty easy and I'm very proud of the result.
So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit notification bell so you'll know when I put my next video. And actually, it was a pleasure doing Dracula finally. But I know that I did it already like 4 years ago, but this time it was really, 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 really good. And actually, the next one will be very, very useful for your last minute Halloween party, guys. I will give you some costume ideas from some last minute costume ideas. So stay tuned for that and and stay safe, children of the night. that oh, I should have said it. Repeat. So your dude already did this costume,
You can't talk. Nobody cares.
and whatever. Let's stop because you. And sorry. Thanks to Dracula, the everything